Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another lovely prize for you guys. This is the first classic scooter we have done. It's a 1969 Lambretta GP125 that's been fully restored, as you can see. It's in fantastic condition. And what we're going to do, we'll show you how to start it for the winner, a nice little video for them to reference if they forget for some reason. I'll tell you a bit about it. So like I said, it's a 1969 Lambretta GP125. And it's just been rebuilt, completely restored to show standard. Some of the main bits on the bike, the correct 22-1 frame with its original engine, still retained. It's been painted in Lambretta turquoise with metallic silver. It's been fitted with a TV175 top end using original new old stock parts. It's got a 22mm original carburettor and 42mm Clubman exhaust. As you can tell, I don't know a lot about scooters. This is kind of a new thing for me as well. So I'm learning along with everyone. Got full suspension, fully restored and upgraded, fitted with Michelin S83 tyres, and it also has been MOT'd just for safety checks. It's a really, really lovely machine. It's like a brand new bike. It's probably better than new, actually. Yeah, what a lovely thing. Okay, so what we'll do now is show you how to start it. So we've got our ignition key here, and we have our choke lever here, which needs to be down for on. As you can see, when I put it down, it does come out about 1 centimetre. And then this lever here is the fuel, which needs to be down, and that is on now. So to start this, I see people don't start them like this, like you would a normal motorcycle, which is what I'm used to. You actually kind of stand here and you get a better kick on it. So we'll give this a go. Oh, I don't think I turned it on all the way. Oh, I'll prove to you it's cold as well. If you can prove a scooter's cold. There we are, nice and cold. So I opened the throttle a few times. I don't think it needed the throttle to be opened. No throttle, kick it, let it tick over. Warm it up for a bit on the choke, and then you can take it off the choke when it's warm and you can rev it a bit more. So this engine has literally just been rebuilt, so it's very tight. So it'll need to be running for probably 200, 300 miles. There we are. But yeah, it ticks over straight away off the choke. Quite an attractive little thing, really. So there we are, just need warming up a bit more, then stop it, turn your key off, make sure your fuel's off, which is this one up. So when they're both up, they're both off. When they're both down, they're both on. So tickets for this one are £2.99, and the draw date on this one is, I can get it on my phone. So the draw date on this one is the 1st of June, which is a Sunday, and as usual, all the draws end at 9 PM on Sunday. So if you're into your scooters, it's quite a lovely example, and I think a very impressive bike to own. I think it'd be very popular at your scooter meets with this one, this striking turquoise Lambretta bluey green. So yeah, if you fancy a ticket, go to the website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and good luck if you enter.